You might be working harder than anyone in the room, yet your ideas are ignored, your input dismissed, and your authority overlooked. It's not your skills, it's not your intelligence. The real reason is subtle and backed by decades of research in psychology, neuroscience, and executive leadership. In the next 10 minutes, I'll show you exactly why people don't take you seriously, what top executives do differently, and step-by-step fixes you can implement immediately. Humans are wired to perceive social status instantly. Harvard Business School research shows the first 7 to 10 seconds of interaction determines authority perception. Amy Curdy's studies show body posture alone can change perception of dominance by 20%. MIT research on vocal pitch proves that a slightly lower controlled voice increases perceived competence by 15 to 25%. Stanford studies confirm verbal hedging, I think, maybe just, decreases authority perception significantly. Your intelligence matters far less than how you signal confidence and authority. Practical takeaway number 1. People don't hear your ideas, they first evaluate your presence. 4 key reasons you are overlooked. Reason number 1, non-verbal authority. Slouch posture, fidgeting, and avoiding eye contact is equal to low status. Fix upright postures, open chest, calm gestures. Micro action, try the 2-minute power pose before every meeting. Harvard proves it increases perceived confidence. Reason number 2, weak vocal delivery. Hesitant speech, monotone, fast talking reduces authority. Fix, slow down, pause deliberately, emphasize keywords. Micro action, record yourself saying one key point, lower your pitch slightly, notice the difference. Reason number 3, hedging and qualifiers. Words like I think, maybe, just reduce perceived authority. Fix, speak in concise, assertive statements. Example, weak, I think we could, maybe. Strong, we should implement this solution because. Reason number 4, lack of presence. Fading into the background, not initiating conversation, not taking space. Fix, lean forward slightly, maintain calm eye contact, take deliberate pauses. Practical tip, in meetings, choose your moment to contribute first. Claim your space. Step-by-step fixes to command respect. Fix number 1, posture and micro gestures. Upright posture, open chest, slow gestures. Example, a senior manager at the Fortune 500 implemented posture and gestures. Peers instantly started listening. Fix number 2, vocal mastery. Slightly lower pace, slow pitch, emphasize keywords. Practice, read your 3 main talking points aloud. Pause intentionally. Fix number 3, assertive language. Remove hedging, use precise language. Structure, observation, insight, recommendation. Fix number 4, presence in meeting. Strategic eye contact, take calculated pauses. Don't shrink, occupy space naturally. Fix number 5, the first 7-second rule. Your first 7 seconds are critical. Enter the room calmly, upright, eyes forward. Micro action, imagine the first impression as the status snapshot. Practical takeaway number 2, these fixes are immediate, research-backed and actionable, implementable today. Let me give you a real-world case study. Example number 1, Ramesh, mid-level manager overlooked. Issue, overlooked despite excellent performance. Action, applied posture, vocal and language fixes. Result, within 3 months, led meetings, promoted. Example number 2, corporate leader, Harvard case study. Issue, brilliant team ignored in strategy sessions. Action, adjusted presence, assertive phrasing, took strategic space. Result, influence score improved 40%, career trajectory accelerated. Practical takeaway number 3, you don't need to work harder, you need to signal your authority effectively. Advanced tips for maximum impact. Tip number 1, mirror high status behaviors. Subtle mimicry improves perceived authority. Tip number 2, speak last, speak clear. People value opinions delivered after listening. Tip number 3, strategic pauses. Pause before answering difficult questions. Tip number 4, control energy. Calm, consistent energy signals mastery and confidence. Tip number 5, prepare 1-2 impact statements. Pre-decide 1 to 2 sentences that will anchor your authority in any meeting. Authority is not earned just by working harder. It's projected through posture, voice, words, and presence, all backed by neuroscience and executive psychology. Implement these fixes this week. Watch your influence grow. For the next 5 advanced executive presence hacks used by Ivy League graduates and Fortune 500 leaders, subscribe, like, and share. Remember, people judge you before they hear you. Make sure what they see matches your talent.